Welcome to Make Believable, where we bring your creations to life. Have you ever played with some clay and made a sculpture and just wished that the little legs and the arms would move and be real? Well, this is where that dream can happen. I'm Artsy Annie, and this is the Artsy Studio. Would you like to come with me on an adventure today to make a very special person's drawings real? Let's do it. Come on.
Have you ever truly wondered what you could create? Grab your pencil or your crayons, get it on the page. We'll make your dragon breathe some fire, make your tiger roar. If you dream it, we can build it, make believable. Grab your drawing, join the fun, make believable. Art is fun for everyone, make believable. Make believable. Make believable! Yeah!
I'm so excited to introduce you to my guest today. She's a very talented artist. So let's all get our sparkle fingers out to welcome the one, the only, Sullivan! Hi, Sullivan. Thank you so much for being with us here today. You drew such a creative and bold drawing for us. You have such a great eye with your art. It's incredible.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 8.
You're 8 years old, and you drew this spectacular drawing?
And a lot more.
And a lot more. You have drawn a lot.
Yeah.
So let's talk about this one here. What did you use to draw this one?
Well, I just use alcoholic markers.
Alcoholic markers. What's the difference between those kind of markers and regular markers?
Well, they're sharper
Oh.
and they don't wear off as much as the other ones.
They don't wear off. What do you mean?
Like, they don't get, like, dry and old fast.
Oh, so they stay fresh longer so you can make more art.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. And what is your favorite color?
My favorite colors, I have, like, a billion.
What's your top 3 favorite colors?
Top 3?
Yeah.
I would say red, blue, and black.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Do you like mixing colors and creating new colors?
Well, I can't do that really with markers, but I love to.
Right. What other kinds of things do you make art with?
Sometimes I do watercolor and sometimes I do acrylic.
Oh, those are paints, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your absolute favorite thing to make art with?
Acrylic.
Acrylic paint. I love acrylic paint too. Tell me a little bit about your drawing. What inspired you to draw this bird?
Well, really? I just thought of vines, pink, parrot, and I drew this rainbow fire macaw thing.
A rainbow fire macaw. It sounds so cool. Very sparkalicious, definitely. Did you know that I love birds?
Really?
Yes. One of my favorite places to go in Vancouver is the Bladel Conservatory, where you can see wild birds that have so many different colors.
Really?
Yeah. Have you ever been?
No, I don't think so.
It's at Queen Elizabeth Park here in Vancouver, and we love going there to look at all the different birds. They have macaws there.
Really?
Yeah. There's one bird that always will dance if you dance with it. And you can, I think it's a cockatoo, yeah, because his little flap comes up. You know birds too.
Yeah.
So the pink vines here.
Yeah.
So this bird, is this in a fantasy world?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a unicorn back there too, right?
Uh-huh.
Wait, it's got wings.
Mhm.
Does that mean it's an alicorn?
Exactly.
You know what an alicorn is!
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so an alicorn is a unicorn but with wings, so it flies all around.
My brothers only think like an alicorn is just a Pegasus.
Oh, very different.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Pegasuses don't have horns.
Exactly. Exactly. You know your mythical creatures.
Obviously.
What's your favorite mythical creature?
Ooh, I know. Oh, Griffin.
Oh, griffins. I just want to pet griffins. Sullivan, your art is absolutely sparktastic. I think the artist is going to have so much fun taking your drawing and making it real. So, what do you say we go to the artist's workshop and help make your art go from make-believe to make-believable?
Sure.
Yeah?
Perfect.
Okay, let's go. Would you like to sing a song with me about birds? Birds come out and sing in the springtime. Let's sing a song about how happy they get in the spring. First, they flap their little wings, flap, 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 and then they tweet their little song, tweet, tweet, tweet. Those are the actions we'll do in this song. Are you ready to give it a try? Okay, here we go. Little birds go flap, 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 flap. Little birds go flap, flap, flap in the springtime. Let's do tweet, tweet, tweet now. Little birds go tweet, 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 tweet. Little birds go tweet, tweet, tweet in the springtime. Now let's do them both together. Little birds go flap, 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 flap. Little birds go flap, flap, flap in the springtime. Little birds go tweet, 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 tweet. Little birds go tweet, tweet, tweet in the springtime. Thank you so much for singing a song about birds with me. We'll see you soon. Hi, Yaron.
Hello.
This is Sullivan. Sullivan, this
Nice
is
to meet
Yaron. So Yaron is a kinetic sculptor. Isn't that neat?
I don't know what that is.
Well, maybe Yaron can tell us a little bit about what he does.
I combine engineering and sculpting and making moving sculptures.
That is so neat. So kinetic means moving.
Yes.
So all your sculptures move.
Well, not all of them, but some of them. Yeah.
So you take science and you take art and you combine them into its own art form.
Yes.
That is so sparktacular. My goodness, don't you think? Yeah. What's the biggest sculpture you've ever built?
I built the Tower of Babylon. It was like a 14.5-meter tall tower.
Meters?
Yes.
That's so tall. You made a sculpture, a tower that was that big.
Yes.
Holy. Can you imagine that?
That's taller than me. And that's saying something.
You are pretty tall, it's true. So you saw Sullivan's beautiful drawing of a bird, didn't you?
Did.
Yes, and you have built something from it.
Yes, a bird. I really like birds. I've been building birds for a while.
Maybe you could show us a little bit about what you do here in your studio.
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Does that sound good to you, Sullivan? Excellent. Wow. Okay, let's do that. Come on with us. So here we are. We're at this really big piece of machinery. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
That's a lathe. It's used to cut notches into round pieces.
Neat. Oh, how does it work? There's so many different wheels and doohickeys.
There's this main head spins whatever it is you're working on, and then there's a tooth here you can move around forward, backward, then side to side.
Oh, neat.
And then they meet and you use the tooth to carve through your material.
Is Sullivan allowed to turn that wheel?
Please.
Oh, so that one's moving this piece up here,
And this one will travel you down.
and that wheel moves that way. Okay, what else do you have to show us?
I wanted to show you some of my plastic work. I make sculptures and pieces from polyethylene pipes.
This is made out of a pipe?
Yes, just like a garden pipe, poly pipe.
Do you want to show everybody at home? Look at this. And if you is it reaching for everyone? It's like a lion. Rawr. And on the inside, if we see, look at the wrist, there's all the tubes, all the pipes. That's really neat. How do you make it shaped like that?
You heat it with the flame and shape it with different tools and with gloves, and then you can like make stuff from it. The ore is very durable and
So this is made out of plastic pipes.
yes.
Wow, by heating it up and sculpting and molding it. That is so neat. And look, there's even a bird.
Yeah, I'm into birds.
That's neat. It has so much movement to it. Oh, and then the hand is grabbing the bird. Whoa, you built this?
Yeah, this is 3D printed.
It
Yeah.
is. It's like a little robotic octopus.
It was actually a mechanical flower that opens up and closes.
Oh, cool.
I use a bunch of different materials and stuffs from around me, so I try to reuse whatever I can in terms of hinges and spokes and plastic bits and
Little pieces of wood.
anything really.
This is so creative, taking all these things from around the house and making brand new art. That's really spectacular. Well, maybe you could show us some of your mechanisms and how they work.
Sure.
Excellent. Let's do that. So what do we have here?
This is the bird mechanism I built to fit that drawing of yours. It's just a mechanism to make the wings flap. And so I've designed this and 3D printed it and put it together. And that's the concept of how the wings move. I was trying to get a really nice, natural movement on it.
What do you think, Sullivan?
Great.
This is so neat the way it moves. It looks so real. So this is kinetic sculpture.
That's the framework for it, yes.
Wow. So this is what you used to start the bird, and then you built around it to finish off Sullivan's bird.
Yes, exactly.
Wow. What do you think? Is it time to see your bird? Does everybody want to see Sullivan's bird go from make-believe to make-believable? Yeah? Okay, what do you think? Okay, let's do it.
All right.
Here we go. Are you ready for this? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Are you ready for even more? What do you think, Sullivan? Do you think it looks like you're drawing? Yeah, it's all the right colors and everything. Look at the wings up top. They're so colorful. I know it's hard to see from here, but when it moves, you can see the colors.
It kind of reminds me of a phoenix.
It does, yeah.
Yeah, I went for something in between a phoenix and a turkey.
And this is new material, you said, that you haven't worked with this
Yes,
material before.
I was kind of forced to use this polyethylene sheets because of the paint and how...
I like this material. My grandpa has this. It's so fun to color with.
Yeah, and I was surprised. It's so nice to shape it. It reacts to heat very well. You can stretch it, glue it, move it around. It's an interesting material and new material for me. And I thought it fitted the vibe.
Wow, what an inspired drawing you had to create this beautiful, beautiful piece of art. I think it's worthy of some sparkle fingers. What do you think? Yeah, should we do sparkle fingers? All right, hands up, everybody, and sparkle! Oh, art makes me so excited. Thank you so much, Yaron, for sharing your beautiful art form with us. And thank you, Sullivan, for drawing such a spectacular picture to begin with. Look what it inspired. And thank you so much for joining us. This makes me so excited that I think I might need to go for a breathing break. Thank you for having us in your workspace.
My pleasure.
All right, we'll see you soon. Wow, art makes me so excited sometimes. And when I get really excited or mad or worried, I need to take a moment and take some deep breaths. I call them breathing breaks. I'm gonna need to have a breathing break right now to calm down. Would you like to join me? Okay, my favorite way to do a breathing break is to breathe in all the sparkles in the air through my nose, and then I breathe them out and blow them into the world so that they can go on a magical journey. Do you want to try this with me? Okay, let's take a deep breath in through the nose and blow out the sparkles. That starts to feel much better. Let's do it again. And blow out. And one more time, breathe in through your nose. And breathe out. I feel so much more relaxed now. Thank you for joining me in a breathing break. Wow, that was so much fun with Sullivan today, don't you think? Thank you so much for spending time with us. I always love it when you come and visit. I hope that we've inspired you to create your own designs that we can make believable too. If you want to draw us a picture, just get your parents to send it to us. Then you could come to the Artsy studio, and I can't wait to see what you create. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.